Hey guys, this is Andy here from Mediocre Hobbies. It is the 8th of March, which is of course International Women's Day. So I decided to make a fun video showing you guys or sharing with you guys my top 3 female characters in Warhammer 40k. These are powerful, inspiring, determined characters, and I can't wait for you guys to see them. Enjoy the video. If you ask anybody who knows me in this hobby what my favorite thing in Warhammer 40,000 is, they will inevitably tell you that it is the humble Commissar of the Astra Militarum. Great names such as Ibram Gaunt and Cyphus Cain, and now Severina Reign joins their ranks. She is a stunning miniature, she has a fantastic series of books, and she is a now well-established character in the 40k universe. If you do not know who she is, I suggest you pick up her novels and give them a read. They are the short story Execution and the full-bound novel Honorbound. 2 fantastic reads that will give you all the information you need to love this character as much as I do. Next up on my list is none other than Saint Celestine herself. Saint Celestine is a revered living saint of the Adeptus Sororitas, a being of incredible psychic power and faith believed by many in the Imperium of Man to have been resurrected from death many times as a tool of the Emperor of Mankind himself. As a mortal, she was thought slain during a campaign against the renegade war master of Forax, but has returned at various times since to rescue Imperial forces in danger of being destroyed by the enemies of the God Emperor. Wings spread wide, halo blazing, and ardent blade in hand, Saint Celestine is the embodiment of the God Emperor's might. And last, but by no means least, we have Loctara Sarrin, a woman of few words, therefore I will keep her description short. Just know, but by the age of 30 years of age, she was captain of one of the most powerful warships to ever ply the stars. She worked in service to the World Eaters. She had the respect of both First Captain and Primarch. These men were not easy to get along with. They were angry, impulsive, but yet she earned the respect so much she was given a bloody handprint across her fatigues to show her loyalty and devotion to the chapter. I plead with you to learn more about Loctara Sarrin. You will not be disappointed. And always remember, fire the Ursa's claws. Thank you guys for sticking around till the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please drop it a like, maybe subscribe to the channel to see more of my videos, and have a great week.